When you get a craving for a crusty artisanal loaf of bread, one that can be made in a Dutch oven, can you make it using your bread machine? Today we're using our bread machine and a Dutch oven, much in the same way that Jim Leahy introduced his famous no-knead recipe back in the early 2000s. I like to use my Hamilton Beach bread machine because it does all the work. And that's what this recipe is all about. Easy artisanal bread without all the work. Start by adding a cup and 2 tablespoons of warm water into the pan of your bread machine. Add a teaspoon and a half of table salt. We're keeping the table salt away from the yeast. 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, just enough to feed the yeast. A little bit more than 3 cups of bread flour. I'm using 380 grams of bread flour. We want this bread to have a little structure as it rises and cooks in the Dutch oven. And then finally, we're adding 2 teaspoons of bread machine yeast. That's the very last thing to go into the bread machine. Today's recipe uses the dough cycle of the bread machine, which is number 8 on my bread machine. Hit start and let the dough start to mix in the bread machine. In about 5 to 8 minutes, we'll give it my poke check to make sure that it is the consistency that we want it to be. At about 7 minutes, we're ready for the poke test. And this dough is a bit firmer than we need it to be, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of warm water. At the end of your dough cycle, you're ready to prepare your Dutch oven for baking in the oven. Turn your oven on to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and since it's a very hot oven, you want to check the cover of your Dutch oven to make sure that it's oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Just to be safe, you may want to cover it with some aluminum foil. I'm going to pop my Dutch oven into my oven. While your Dutch oven is preheating, you're going to remove your dough from your bread machine. And you're going to find that this dough is a little bit wetter than what we usually make in our bread machine. And we want it to be for this recipe. So it's sticking to the pan a bit. And like usual, you want it to roll over upon itself, tuck under the edges, and lay it on a piece of parchment paper in a nice ball, and then just cover that with a clean towel. And you're going to let this rise for about a half an hour while your Dutch oven is getting smoking hot in your 450 degree Fahrenheit oven. The dough ball has doubled in size, so we're ready to transfer the dough into the preheated Dutch oven. You want to be very careful because you know this is smoking hot. Just lift and drop it right in there. The lid on, back of the oven. We'll bake our loaf of artisan bread for 25 minutes with the lid on, and then about 10 or 15 minutes with the lid off to get it the golden, delicious brown that we want it to be. Take the lid off. Oh, beautiful. Oh, there we are. Just needs a little bit more time to brown up. After 10 minutes, it's time to transfer this beautiful loaf of bread from the Dutch oven to the cooling rack. Easy as can be, just lifting out the parchment paper. Doesn't it look beautiful? We'll cool the bread on the rack until it's completely cool, and then cut in and see what we have. Now let's take a test and see if you can hear the crust. It's chewy inside, crusty on the outside. If you ever find your bread machine dough behaving differently from one week to the next, I put together a guide that walks you through how to recognize what happened so you can adjust with confidence. I'll link that below.